Hi guys, welcome back. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I'm going to teach you another beautiful recipe, chicken feet. Make sure you watch this video to the end. At this point, let me introduce to you the list of my ingredients. Keep watching. In my bowl, I have some tomato paste. Also, I have some bell peppers, ginger, garlic, onion, all fresh. In here, I have some smoked paprika, thyme, basil leaves. I have a bit of brown sugar, some salt, and also some seasoning. Here is my soy sauce that I'll be using subsequently. I also have some lemons that I'll be using to wash my chicken feet because I don't need that smell. I have a pot of already boiling water that I'll be using to wash this chicken feet because I don't need any smell. So right now I'll start by trimming off the claws. So right now I'll just pour in my chicken feet into a bigger bowl. Then I'll just squeeze in my lemon juice. After squeezing in my lemon juice, I will just go ahead to pour in my boiled water. I'll just quickly put in my boiled water. So I'll just cover up and let it sit for like 30 minutes. Then I will wash properly and I will rinse with some salt. Keep watching. Meanwhile, I'll go ahead to blend the other ingredients that I'll be using for this recipe. Right now, I'll heat up my oil and I'll add all my blended ingredients. I'll let it sizzle and fry until the oil gets separated from the sauce. Can you see how thick our sauce is? Now I'll add in my seasoning. Mix very well. After adding all the seasonings, then I will bring in my chicken feet. Can you see how clean they are? Because I washed them properly with lemon and salt. Add in my soy sauce. After that, I will top it up with a bit of water. Can you see that? So at this point, I'll cover up because I tasted and the seasoning is okay. And I'll have to cook at low heat, very, very low heat, because I want them to be as tender as possible. And I want everything, the ingredients to get into the bones of the chicken feet. Keep stirring from time to time. Can you see that? This sauce is so delicious. The sauce is so good. You could eat with rice or spaghetti or whatever you would love to eat with. Can you see how tender they are looking? This is what we want. If you have a slow cooker, you can as well use it.
because we need it to cook at low heat. Everything is ready, nice, delicious, and the aroma is perfect. I can't wait to try this. So right now I'll just add in some more sauce. Then I will chop some green peppers just for coloring because I like colors. Just add a bit of green pepper on top of the chicken feet, and you'll see how beautiful this is looking. Can you see that? If you like my recipes, please keep sharing, keep watching, keep subscribing, and you know I'm going to bring in more and more easy recipes for you guys. Right now it's time to eat. You can eat with some rice if you have that. You can eat with spaghetti because we have some sauce inside. Or you can as well eat just like that, simple. These chicken feet are so juicy, like the sauce penetrated into the bones, and you just chew everything. It's chewable. Please also follow me on Instagram at Chef Reynas Kitchen Delights, same as YouTube. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.